Ever feel like the walls are literally closing in on you? Think back to that specific moment. Maybe you locked yourself in the bathroom, staring into the mirror, trying to choke back tears so no one outside would hear you. Or maybe it was 2 a.m., face buried in your pillow, thinking, I can't do this anymore, I'm done. If you're in that headspace right now, I need you to listen to me. Don't you dare click away. Don't you dare give up, because you have no idea what is waiting for you right around the corner. When life hits you the hardest, it's not trying to break you, it's trying to build you. It's preparing you for something that the old you wouldn't have been able to handle. Today, we are going to talk about getting that power back, so let every word sink in. Look, we live in a world where we want everything now. We want our success like we want our fast food, instant. We want the results without the wait. But here's the brutal truth. Real life-changing success doesn't happen like instant coffee. You know why most people quit halfway? Because they don't understand that the answer to how to actually succeed in life isn't found in a shortcut. It's hidden in those boring, painful, quiet days when nobody is clapping for you. You might be working your tail off today and seeing $0 in your pocket. You're planting seeds, but you're frustrated because you can't eat the fruit tomorrow morning. But look at nature. Does a massive oak tree give shade overnight? No. A farmer who plants seeds knows he can't harvest the crop the same day. He has to fight through the sun, the rain, and the storms, waiting months for that green shoot to appear. Your life is exactly like that field. The hard work you're putting in today, believe me, it's growing roots underground. Just because you can't see the results on the surface yet doesn't mean nothing is happening. You are being built from the inside out. Think about a bamboo tree. For years, you see nothing above the ground. It looks dead, but underground, it's building a massive, unbreakable root system. So when it finally shoots up, no storm can knock it down. That's you right now. You aren't stuck, you are building your foundation. The secret to staying strong in hard times is realizing that you aren't just waiting, you are toughening up. If your dream was small, like just surviving the day, you'd have it by now. But if your goal is to touch the sky, to change your family's history, then listen, your test is going to be harder than everyone else's. God, or the universe, gives the toughest battles to the soldiers they trust the most. So stop feeling sorry for yourself. Stop with the "why is this happening to me" mindset. You are not a victim, you are a warrior. Now, let's talk about a modern addiction that is quietly eating you alive. That smartphone in your hand. Ask yourself honestly, do you control your phone, or does your phone control you? You wake up, scroll through Instagram or TikTok, see everyone's highlight reels, their edited photos, their perfect lives, and suddenly your life feels like trash, doesn't it? You think, wow, they are doing so well, and look at me. Comparison is the thief of joy. You are comparing your behind-the-scenes mess with everyone else's highlight reel. Social media has tricked you into a fake competition. You spend hours scrolling, getting those dopamine hits, and without realizing it, you're throwing your precious time and your self-confidence into the garbage. These platforms sell you the idea that life is just parties, wins, and smiles. But reality? Reality is the struggle. It's the crying, and then wiping those tears to stand up again. You might watch motivational videos on YouTube all day, but are you using them? This device in your hand can be the greatest library in the world, or it can be a casino that steals your time. The choice is yours. If you spend 4 hours a day watching other people live their dreams, when are you going to build yours? Remember, wasted time is just life getting shorter. You cannot buy back yesterday with all the money in the world. So decide right now, you are going to use this screen to build your life, not escape it. Here's a harsh truth. On this journey, the people who hurt you the most won't be strangers. They will be the people you know. It hurts to admit, but it's true. People who say you can't do it or you're not good enough, they're not telling you the truth. They're projecting their own fears onto you. They couldn't do it, so they can't believe you can. Or worse, they're scared. Yeah, they're terrified that if you actually succeed, you'll leave them behind. It's called crab mentality. Put a bunch of crabs in a bucket, and if one tries to climb out, the others will pull it back down. Society is just like that bucket. If you want to figure out how to bounce back from failure, the first step is to distance yourself from that negativity. Don't share your big dreams with small-minded people. They'll just turn your vision into a joke. Do your work in silence. In the beginning, nobody will stand by you. Nobody will hype you up. In fact, when you stumble, some of them will secretly smile. That is exactly when you have to be your own best friend. Look in the mirror and say, even if the whole world doubts me, I know I can do this. Don't wait for permission. A lion doesn't ask for opinions before it hunts. You need to be that lion. And remember this, failure isn't the end. We're taught in school that failing is bad. That's a lie. Show me one successful person who hasn't failed. You can't. Failure is just the seasoning for success. Without it, winning doesn't taste as good. Every time you fall, you learn how not to walk. Every failure is just data telling you, wrong turn, try the other way. So don't fear failure. Embrace it. Say, thanks for the lesson. You might be thinking, I've tried so hard, but nothing is working. But you don't know how close you are. Maybe one more strike with the pickaxe would have hit the gold, but you put the tool down. When your patience is about to break, that is the real test. That is the moment you have to grit your teeth and hold on, because the night is darkest just before the dawn. Your darkest chapter is just the intro to your golden era. If you quit today, the future you 10 years from now will never forgive you. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. You're standing in front of a mirror, successful, at peace. Your parents are proud. That future version of you is looking back at you right now. What are they saying? Aren't they saying thank you? Thank you for not giving up that day. Thank you for ignoring the haters. Thank you for keeping the dream alive when you were crying yourself to sleep. That future version of you depends on the fight you put up today. Don't kill that potential. Don't ever think you're worthless. You're not an extra in this movie called life. You're the main character. Your fingerprint is unique. Nobody else has it. Your talent, your potential, it's yours alone. Stop trying to be someone else. Just because someone got rich being a doctor doesn't mean you have to be one too. Just because someone made millions in business doesn't mean that's your only path. Find what sets your soul on fire. What is the thing you do where you lose track of time? That's your path. Yes, the road will be rough. You will bleed. You will get tired. Sometimes you'll ask, why did I choose this? But remember, nobody made history walking on an easy path. Walking with the crowd is easy. It takes guts to walk alone, and you have those guts. If you didn't, you wouldn't still be listening to me right now. There's a voice inside you whispering, try one more time. Listen to that voice. That's your soul speaking. People are laughing at you? Let them laugh. People are criticizing you? Let them talk. Remember, the people in the stands are the ones screaming. The players on the field are too busy focused on the game. You are a player, not a spectator. Focus on your goal. The day you succeed, these same critics will be the first ones to say, I knew he could do it. I always said he was special. People change their colors fast, so don't live to impress them. Live to impress yourself. You will lose things on this journey. You might lose friends, sleep, and comfort. That's called sacrifice. And to get something big, you have to pay a big price. Success isn't free. Are you willing to pay the price? If you are, nobody can stop you. Build yourself up so high that the people who ignored you today will have to make an appointment to see you tomorrow. That's not arrogance, that's knowing your worth. This might be the hardest time of your life, but trust me, these days will become your story. When you stand on that stage and tell your success story, this struggle will be the best part. People won't clap for your money, they will clap for your struggle. They will respect what you survived. So, my friend, I'm begging you, don't give up.
Life is a battlefield. There's no room for resting here. As long as you are breathing, there is hope. Did you fall? Dust yourself off. Stand up. Run again. Fell again? Get up again. Just don't stop. Even if you move at the speed of a turtle, keep moving, because stopping is death. A flowing river reaches the ocean. Stagnant water just rots. You were not born to rot. You were born to reach the ocean. Awaken that limitless potential sleeping inside you. You are not ordinary. You are extraordinary. Just bring that belief back. Even if the whole world stands against you, if you stand with yourself, you are undefeated. If this video sparked even a tiny flame inside your chest, if you feel like maybe, just maybe, you can start fresh today, then my job here is done. Remember, you are not alone. I am right here with you, in spirit, in this fight.
To keep fueling this fire and to level up your mindset on this journey to success, I invite you to join our little family. If this spoke to you, leave a like to let me know you were here, and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with Orbit of Success. I'll see you at the top, exactly where you belong. Don't give up. Your time is coming.